What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French region. Yes, this is a region in France on the Atlantic Ocean. If you look at a map of France, this is a bit of the nose of France that goes into the Atlantic Ocean to the west of Paris, to the west of France. This region that has a bit of a Celtic culture, famous for its buttery food, specialties and cuisine, including the delicious crepes. The crepes from Bretagne. Of course, this is known in English as Brittany. Yes, the region of Brittany in French is said Bretagne. Bretagne with the typical French pronunciation, but it'd be fine in English to say Bretagne. The region of Bretagne. In French again, Bretagne. Bretagne. If you want to learn more about all of the top cities and top places in France and how to pronounce them, here are videos that you may want to watch next, as well as many useful words from French. See you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.